Remember when we thought turning 50 meant slowing down? We were so wrong. Life after 50 is about new adventures and experiences, but sometimes our bodies need a little extra support to keep up. I used to think fatigue, muscle cramps, and anxiety were just part of getting older. Turns out, I might have been low on a crucial mineral, magnesium. Break time point fives. Please subscribe to our channel for more health tips and updates. Magnesium is a busy mineral. It's involved in over 300 processes in our bodies. It helps our muscles and nerves work right. It keeps our bones strong. It even helps us sleep better. After 50, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing magnesium. Our diets and medications can also deplete magnesium levels. That's why it's so important to make sure we're getting enough. Many people don't realize they're low on magnesium. The symptoms can be subtle and often mimic other conditions. Feeling tired all the time, experiencing muscle cramps or twitches, having trouble sleeping, these could be signs of magnesium deficiency. Other signs include headaches, anxiety, and even constipation. If you're experiencing any of these, talk to your doctor about getting your magnesium levels checked. Magnesium is especially crucial for heart health, bone health, sleep, mood, and blood sugar control. Let's break it down. Heart health. Magnesium helps regulate blood pressure and heart rhythm. Bone health. Magnesium is essential for strong bones and may help prevent osteoporosis. Sleep. Magnesium promotes relaxation and improves sleep quality. Mood. Magnesium plays a role in regulating mood and reducing anxiety. Blood sugar control. Magnesium helps improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for managing blood sugar levels. As we age, maintaining these aspects of our health becomes even more important, making magnesium's role even more vital. Section 5. Fueling up on magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in many bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and bone health. Ensuring you get enough magnesium in your diet can help you maintain overall well-being and prevent deficiencies that can lead to various health issues. The good news is that many delicious foods are packed with magnesium. By incorporating these foods into your daily meals, you can easily meet your magnesium needs without relying on supplements. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are all excellent sources. These greens are not only rich in magnesium, but also provide a host of other essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and fiber. Adding a generous serving of these greens to your salads, smoothies, or sautéed dishes can significantly boost your magnesium intake. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds, are also great choices. These nutrient-dense snacks are perfect for on-the-go munching or adding a crunchy texture to your meals. They are not only high in magnesium, but also provide healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants, making them a well-rounded addition to your diet. Avocado, this creamy fruit, is not only delicious, but also a good source of magnesium. Avocados are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from guacamole and salads to smoothies and toast toppings. They also offer heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and a range of vitamins and minerals. And for chocolate lovers, dark chocolate, especially varieties with at least 70% cocoa, provides a tasty dose of magnesium. Dark chocolate is not only a delightful treat, but also contains powerful antioxidants known as flavonoids, which can help improve heart health and reduce inflammation. Fish, including salmon, mackerel, and tuna, are rich in magnesium and other essential nutrients. These fatty fish are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart and brain health. Including fish in your diet a few times a week can help you meet your magnesium needs while also providing high-quality protein and other vital nutrients. Try incorporating these foods into your diet regularly. By doing so, you can enjoy a variety of delicious meals while ensuring you get enough magnesium to support your overall health. For example, you could start your day with a spinach and avocado smoothie, which is not only refreshing, but also packed with nutrients to kickstart your morning. Snack on a handful of almonds, which are perfect for curbing hunger between meals and providing a quick magnesium boost. Or enjoy a salmon fillet for dinner, paired with a side of leafy greens and a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds for an extra magnesium punch. By making these simple yet nutritious choices, you can easily fuel up on magnesium-rich foods and support your overall health and well-being. Section 6. Navigating the world of magnesium supplements. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining optimal health can be challenging. One essential mineral that often gets overlooked is magnesium. If you're struggling to get enough magnesium through diet alone, supplements can be helpful. Magnesium plays a crucial role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle and nerve function, blood glucose control, and bone health. There are various types of magnesium supplements available, each with its own benefits and absorption rates. Choosing the right one can be overwhelming, but understanding the differences can help you make an informed decision. Magnesium glycinate is known for its high absorption rate and calming effects, making it a good option for those with sensitive stomachs. This form of magnesium is often recommended for individuals dealing with anxiety, insomnia, or chronic stress. Magnesium citrate is also well absorbed and can be helpful for constipation. This form of magnesium is often used as a natural laxative and can provide relief for those experiencing digestive issues. Magnesium oxide, while having a lower absorption rate, can be an affordable option. It's commonly used to treat heartburn and indigestion, making it a versatile choice for many. It's best to talk to your doctor to determine the right type and dosage for you. Consulting with a healthcare professional ensures that you choose a supplement that aligns with your specific health needs and conditions. They can also help monitor your magnesium levels and adjust your dosage as needed. Additionally, doing your own research and reading reviews can provide valuable insights into the effectiveness and quality of different magnesium supplements. Look for reputable brands and check for third-party testing to ensure you're getting a high-quality product. Remember, while supplements can be beneficial, they should complement a balanced diet rich in magnesium. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are excellent natural sources of this essential mineral. By combining a healthy diet with the right magnesium supplement, you can support your overall well-being and enjoy a more energetic, balanced life. Take the time to understand your body's needs and make informed choices for your health. Section 7. Your evening ritual for restful sleep. Establishing a calming evening ritual can significantly enhance the quality of your sleep. By incorporating a few simple yet effective habits into your nightly routine, you can create a peaceful environment that promotes relaxation and restfulness. One essential element to consider is magnesium. Incorporate magnesium into your nightly routine for a more restful sleep. Magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating neurotransmitters that calm the nervous system, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Another effective method is taking a warm bath with Epsom salts. Epsom salts are a natural source of magnesium sulfate, which can be absorbed through the skin. This not only helps to relax your muscles, but also soothes your mind, preparing you for a restful night. To maximize the benefits, add 2 cups of Epsom salts to a warm bath and soak for at least 20 minutes. This practice can help to relieve stress and tension, making it easier for you to unwind and drift off to sleep. If a bath isn't your preference, consider taking a magnesium supplement. Magnesium glycinate is particularly effective for promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality. Taking a supplement before bed can help to calm your mind and body, setting the stage for a peaceful night's sleep. In addition to magnesium, sipping on a cup of calming tea can further enhance your evening ritual. Chamomile and lavender teas are both known for their soothing properties. These herbal teas can help to reduce anxiety and promote a sense of calm, making it easier for you to transition into sleep. By incorporating these simple steps into your nightly routine, you can create a tranquil environment that supports restful sleep. Over time, these habits can make a significant difference in the quality of your sleep, helping you to wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated each morning. Section 8. Too much of a good thing. While magnesium is essential, It's important not to overdo it with supplements. Excessive magnesium intake can lead to digestive issues like diarrhea. Always follow the recommended dosage on the supplement label and consult with your doctor if you have any concerns. Remember, food sources of magnesium are generally safe and unlikely to cause any adverse effects. Section 9. Take charge of your magnesium levels. Don't let magnesium deficiency hold you back from living your best life after 50. Take charge of your health by getting tested. Talk to your doctor about getting your magnesium levels checked. Eating a magnesium-rich diet. Include plenty of leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and other magnesium-rich foods in your diet. Considering supplements, if needed, discuss magnesium supplementation with your doctor to find the right type and dosage for you. By taking these steps, you can ensure you're getting enough of this vital mineral. Section 10. Embrace a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, aging is a privilege, and feeling our best allows us to embrace each day to the fullest with joy. By prioritizing our magnesium intake, we're investing in our long-term health and overall well-being. Let's prioritize our health and unlock the incredible potential of aging gracefully, vibrantly, and with confidence.